name's Teddy Schulte, and this is my bike check. So I got the S&M stem, Redneck XLT. I love the stem.
In his spot just to get my stats up. Now I'm back on deck.
I got the exposure grips. I really do not like them. I'm gonna get new ones. I'm trading with my friend Austin. He's kind of a douche trading.
Hit him with the chopper. Call that shit hot llama.
I got the E-Clan seat. It's just enough padding when you're gonna sit down and just talk to your friends.
Got perp, got kush, got pills, got white.
I got Call Me Fantastic pedals, and they're great. They're a huge platform. I love them, even though I got small feet. And everything else is just stock. So.
Let's do it. Hey, let's do it. Yeah. Drugs and music. Hey, I infuse.